He can't bear to leave me. In the morning, I'm too blind to see him.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiesha or Kiki, whatever you want to call me. And today I'm going to be doing a hairstyle inspired by Halfrican Beaute and Nia Imani on YouTube. So yeah, I put the hairstyles like right here, what I'm talking about. So yeah, it's like a Bantu knot and the back is out curly. So yeah, I'm gonna attempt to do that style today. So the two products I'm gonna be using today are by the brand Twistout. I'm gonna be using their Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner and their Curl Enhancer Styling Gel, the High Definition Styling Gel. This. And I used these products in a recent video, a wash and go, so you can watch that video if you want like in-depth like a review on those products, because I already reviewed it in that video. And all you're gonna need for this style is some rubber bands, a toothbrush to like brush up your hair and your edges, and a rat's tail comb to part your hair. So I'm just gonna start off by sectioning the front section. Okay, so I've sectioned off the part at the first, or the top section. This is just the part. Okay, and I just figured I'll do like some chunky twists in the back and like let it dry overnight and then take it out, see how that comes out, because I don't feel like doing the wash and go. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with this leave-in conditioner. I'll probably do like 1 pump. And with the high definition gel, I'm just taking like a little, that much. This is like a lightweight gel. It does hold my hair though, but it is very lightweight, and both these products have a good slip and smell amazing. So now I'm just gonna take this toothbrush and basically brush my hair. And I'm gonna take 2 rubber bands. So now I'm just gonna put like 4 like chunky twists in the back, maybe like 4 or 6. fix my hair for like a half hour just to like lay my edges. Then I'll take it off and probably walk around for the day with my hair like this. And then tomorrow I'll show you guys how it came out. Hopefully the twist out is alright, but they look so juicy and nice. Do you see that? Praying they come out right. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.